Electra Koko Tawa, a legacy of trust since 1986. Started by visionary Mr. Kamal Kumar, Electra Koko Tawa began its journey with high-performance welding transformers, raising the bar for Indian industries. एक छोटे से वर्कशॉप से शुरुआत करके today we operate from a world-class manufacturing facility. Electra Koko Tawa is now a nationally trusted brand, having proudly served over 6 lakh satisfied customers. Today, Electra Koko Tawa is a leading name in advanced welding machines, servo voltage stabilizers, essential healthcare products. With cutting-edge factories, expert engineers, and a deep passion for quality, Electra Koko Tawa powers India's industries with machines that perform, protect, and last. Registered trademark since 1996. हर मशीन में वर्षों का अनुभव, हर मजबूत वेल्ड में इलेक्ट्रा कोको टावा की पहचान. 9810029167. Sales at electrawelding.com. Join the legacy, build the future. Electra Koko Tawa, Noida-India. Electra and Koko Tawa are registered trademarks and intellectual property of Electra Koko Tawa Weld Private Limited. Electra की मशीन कोको टावा ब्रांड देखकर ही खरीदे.